There's nothing quite like it. Daal. It's delicious, comforting, and family-friendly, and a healthy vegan dinner we adore. Now, this recipe is made with yellow split mung beans, roasted butternut squash, and infused with cumin, cinnamon, curry powder, and smoked paprika. It's thick, creamy, and packed with flavor. Now, friends, this recipe was sponsored by Community Food Centres Canada, a charity organization that builds health, belonging, and social justice in low-income communities through the power of food. It's super close to my heart. This year, I'm beyond delighted to support the Big Social. It's a national event that connects people through food and raises funds for low-income communities in Canada. It's no secret that food insecurity is a silent virus in Canada. It doesn't grab the limelight, yet it affects millions of Canadians. Now, you can learn more about the Big Social and donate by clicking the link in the description box. And for your kind donation to this worthy cause, I will gift you with a meal plan of your choice from my shop. All the details are below this video. Okay, so let's make this dal. Preheat the oven to roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now start by preparing the butternut squash. Peel, de-seed, and cut into medium cubes. Now you want to make sure that they're somewhat similar in size. That way they cook evenly. Coat the cubes with oil, spices, and salt and send to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure you don't pile the cubes on top of one another, otherwise they will steam rather than roast. And give them space and they'll roast beautifully. Rinse the dal until the water runs clear, and in a large pot, add the drained dal along with 8 cups of water. Bring to boil uncovered on high heat, then simmer on medium to high heat for about 18 to 20 minutes. Discard any white foam that appears on the surface of the dal. Now it's time to prepare the tardka for the dal. Start by tempering the whole spices in a small pan. Fry cumin, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Once the spices release their beautiful aroma, add onion, garlic, and ginger and fry until lightly golden. Right about now, the dal and the butternut squash will be cooked. Add the roasted butternut squash to the dal along with the tardka and stir to combine well. Finish with salt, chilies, lime juice, and cilantro. And don't forget to use fresh cilantro as it exudes a wonderful aroma in this dish. And this dal serves splendidly with just about anything. Roti, naan, rice, quinoa, you name it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related topics you want me to dive into next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and all the details for the Big Social and how you can make a difference to the work of Community Food Centres Canada can be found in the description box. Until next time, take care of yourselves.